Hello, Cherries viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama call about Sandy Home Recipe. Send the can out share my video. Remember to subscribe. Because you want to buy pan Spagna or sponge cake. Yes, started. What the egg white ebe good cake pie mu. We are no beat. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. Ese ubiti sa question be fluffy. You be use 270 gram sugar, that's zucchero. Now they go mu little at a time, but be go mu 3 times. Eko sita ma eden ebesa. Emra ugusu cream no about flan you use 236 gram and 36 gram fecola de patata, that's potato starch. One mixing it together, now they see in chain. We are now the egg yolk you use 180 gram. Now the lemon juice is where the aka. We are not going to mixture now creamy. Please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video I will put. If you say you are ready, I would do any shameless and drop here. It means I am ready. And so now I will do egg yolk near the egg. I have baby tea from low to medium speed. Emexi we pen we dumu na o flamis chana we esi nche no wo de agum ba be chemu mienu na wa mixe ba o mixe e se ufodi ne gentle se wo mixe a enye se wo mixe ne mebre o mixe ne mebre pe enfema na wo mi nyina eden e be free mu Emna wo mixing e so be sure say waso oven no. Now we prepare baking cake pie no so eden. Why we are no akotete eden egum. Baking 160 degrees for 18 minutes. We are now yi one manajo. Now I serve it. Me every na me taste and it tastes really nice. You will love it if you give it a try. Now this is our pan de Spagna recipe. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.